Hey guys, it's me, Jello Pineda, your middle class sneakerhead. Welcome back to another episode of the vlog. Today's video, we do have a sneaker unboxing. And apart from sneaker unboxing, meron din tayong mga nakuha from the thrift that I actually didn't think that makakahanap ako ng ganito. And something as well na i-unbox natin. So, unboxing video tayo for today. But I am telling you, this sneaker right here, what we are going to unbox, this is something that will definitely change your mind in terms of the sneaker game. I don't know, I might be wrong, I might be right, let me know. But for me, nung nahawakan ko yung sneaker na to and realize the practicality value of sneakers right now that are going out right now, especially the whole entire hype sneaker game, I think ito yung magkapakwit sa akin. I'm so excited for this one. And at the same time, birthday unboxing ko to. So let me show you what I got for my birthday. I'm very excited for this one and I do hope you are too. With that being said, stay tuned. Thank you so much for checking on this video today, guys, and I do hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Kung bago ka dito, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. And kung matagal ka na rito, tol, thank you so much for sticking with me at malapit na tayong mag 20,000 subscribers. Finally! Yes! 20,000 subscribers. Malapit na tayo. I think less than 100 na lang to go. I will claim it. Darating tayo sa 20,000 subscribers. I am sure of that. And of course, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating unboxing for today, maraming salamat. Taos puso ako nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, sa lahat ng mga taong nandyan lagi, sa lahat ng mga nagko-comment, sa lahat ng mga gustong magpa-advertise, lahat ng mga brands na lumapit sa akin na nagtiwala sa kakayahan ko at kakayahan ng ating munting channel. Maraming salamat. It means the world to me. And of course, malayo pa tayo dyan sa yung talagang viral or something. Alam mo naman yung mga videos natin, just mostly like sit-down vlogs lang. We just talk about sneakers. And because this is what I'm, sort of passionate about, and that's what I have. Yun lang talaga yung alam natin and yun lang yung gusto natin ginagawa. And that's why yun yung content natin. But of course, sa lahat ng mga nagtiwala, again, lahat ng mga sumusuporta, maraming salamat. We made it to 20,000 subscribers in the last 3 years. And again, it means the world to me. Thank you so much for being there. Of course, shameless plug lang tayo saglit. A huge shout out to my brand, VP Exclusive. This is my Instagram selling page. And this is where I sell my sneakers or sell consigned sneakers as well. So we do have brand new and used sneakers. We do have sizes like basically my size 10, 10.5, to 11, and as well as we have small sizes over there. Go ahead and check it out. Baka meron kang magustuhan. Hopefully by 2022, we're gonna be able to bring in more sneakers for you guys. And kung meron ka nagustuhan sa mga sneakers dyan, go ahead and message me right away so we can talk about the price. Okay, wala yung bell ko. Sandali. Yeah, man! Okay, so eto na. We have a few items and actually gusto ko lang din share sa inyo to kasi syempre meron ibang mga tao na like ayaw pumunta sa mga vintage shops or sa mga ukay shops kasi parang wala naman mahanap doon. Pero ako, luckily ako meron mahanap. Before natin unbox yung mga sneaker, minor unboxing muna tayo for this part of the vlog. So let me start off with this shirt right here. Yeah! Boy, nakahanap ako, nakachempo ako ng Fear of God na shirt. Ayan, Fear of God na t-shirt. Pansin mo, sobrang lapad. This is the FG vintage logo shirt or logo shirt na vintage. Parang ganun ang tawag sa kanya. Na-spot ko to sa isang thrift shop na gumawa ako ng vlog noon. I'll link it on top of the screen. Kasama ko si Dio that time. So I was with a friend. We were eating across the road. So I just figured na dumaan ako and check it out ko. Baka merong okay na deals, merong magandang t-shirt, merong band shirt. Alam mo naman tayo, band shirts ang hinahanap natin. And habang naghahanap-hanap ako, napansin ko yung t-shirt na to. And then of course, at first, I didn't think na legit siya kasi syempre, sometimes medyo mahirap makahanap or sobrang tsempuhan na makahanap ng legit na items sa mga thrift shops. Although there are some na talagang matsatsambahan mo talaga. So ito, this one is the FG shirt. So, makita mo, plain lang siya. It has the inverted stitchings all over. Diyan ko nakita na legit siya. And of course, with that Fear of God branding dito sa likod. Makikita mo, Fear of God. Nakikita mo yung kapal, yung rubberized text ng Fear of God dito sa likod. Yung parang tag niya. Wash tags niya, as you can see over there. Fear of God. It has everything made in the United States. Fear of God. This is 100% legit, bro. Legit. Nag-ano lang ako kasi wala siyang tag na essentials or Fear of God essentials dito sa likod. So, nag-research ako sa Grailed. Naghanap-hanap ako ng ano. And these guys were selling for, nung panahon these guys were selling for about $300+. I'm not really sure kung paano ko pupormahan to, pero I'm just glad that nakakuha ako nito sa thrift shop, no? Super good deal. Fear of God. So, ayan yung fit niya, guys. Para makita ninyo, ayan yung fit niya sa akin. Ayan, sobrang haba niya. Ayan. So, hindi na mahaba. Sobrang lapad talaga. So, nag-isip din ako ng paraan kung paano ko mapuporma na mas maayos to eh. I think with this, parang okay lang naman siya. Ayan, no? So, para lang naka-blouse. Huwag kayong mawala ng gana na maghanap sa mga thrift shops kasi meron ka mahanap na maganda dyan. Parang ito yung mga gems na sinasabi natin. Kung hindi ka maghahanap, kung hindi ka maghahalukay, or hindi ka magre-risk na pumunta sa mga ganong klase mga shops, definitely hindi ka makahanap ng gems. So, always be open-minded. Alright, let's go ahead and unbox the second thing na meron tayo na pinick up natin. Today, of course, this one is a cap from SJ Sneakers. SJ Sneakers. Maraming sa Boss Gerard. My SJ Sneakers family. Thank you so much sa support. Of course, you have always been part of the channel. At maraming salamat. And nakakuha na tayo sa kanya. And of course, apart from this one, this is a gift by my wife. Ayan. So, shout out sa'yo, Mami Daphne. Love you. Thank you po. Thank you dito thank you sa cup. So, alam niya kasi sobrang gustong-gusto ko to. And last year, nung nag-birthday naman ako last year, binigyan naman niya ako or niregaluhan niya ako ng Fear of God Nike Skylon. No? So, ito naman, for this year, ito yung niregalo niya sa akin. And what we are talking about, bago natin kunin yung cap, of course, meron tayong mga freebies from SJ Sneaks. Ayan. So, binigyan niya tayo ng hat deodorizer. Here you go. And then, meron din tayong face mask, cap, and clips. Okay? So, kumbaga, this one is something na i-clip mo sa cap mo para dun mo lang sasabit yung face mask mo. No? Very, very smart. Para kung ayaw mo nang nasasaktan yung dito mo sa likod ng tenga, okay tong mga to, guys. Thank you so much for this one. Finally, we do have a Fear of God cap with that green under brim. Yes, sir! Essentials, as you can see over there. Ayan, kasi syempre yung navy blue, maganda naman yung navy blue, pero mas maganda meron ka talagang black para, or if you're gonna buy like FOG na cap, yung parang staple na siya, I would suggest talaga black. Kasi at least, ang black hindi namimili. Kahit anong brand na suot mong sapatos, pwede. Bagay yan, maka Adidas ka man, maka Nike ka man, maka Jordan ka man, Fear of God is, wala siyang tineternuhan. Lahat pwede sa kanya. So, kumbaga, even if medyo mahal ang retail na mga to, retail sa Pilipinas is 4,590 pesos. Yung nakuha ko yung blue, I'll link it on top of the screen nung nabili ko yung blue. Or navy blue na to, retail sila doon ng, 4,590. So this one was a little bit lower. Syempre, good deals yan, of course, from SJ Sneakers. So go ahead and check them out. I will link them on the description below. Kung meron kayong hinahanap na cap, meron kayong hinahanap na shoes, go ahead, check them out. Marami sila nakakuha. And very, very good deals. I am sure of that. So here it is, the moment of truth. Eto na ang sneaker na sinasabi ko, and I do think, kasi alam mo naman, syempre we've been like in the sneaker game for quite some time now, and talagang ang hinahabol natin sometimes talaga is the hype. Apart from that, yung talagang sneakers na gusto lang natin. And then, something derived me to this brand, and then all of a sudden, biglang pak, nagugustuhan ko bigla yung mga colorways, nagugustuhan ko yung itsura nila. Go ahead and unbox. Here is the sneaker, and open this one. Yes, sir! Okay, so we do have a New Balance box, and this one is a made in USA. So, of course, bago ang lahat, a huge shout out kay Durakicks. Ayan, Durakicks on Instagram. Make sure that you go ahead and follow Durakicks, and marami siyang mga good deals sa mga sneakers niya. And what we are talking about, guys, is a pair of New Balance 990 V5 in the Castle Rock colorway. Yes, sir. Eto na, Finally, here it is. So this one is called the Castle Rock colorway. The official code, is M990GL5. So we got a size 10.5. Although they run pretty big ng konti sa akin, mas prefer ko talaga true to size dito. Pero konti lang naman, so if you wear thick socks, hindi na ganun ka, no? Pero I would really suggest going true to size with your New Balance 990 V5. You know, apart from it's the New Balance 990 V5, which is medyo, nagkapangalan na rin. The 990 series talaga is very, very classic. It's very, very timeless and one of their most staple models, no? Also, it all started with the New Balance 990. Pinaka-staple for me is the 990 V5. More of that running performance or running comfort, no? So these are literally running sneakers talaga. This is like in between the super chunky na mga dad shoes. Kasi, I mean, yeah, naging trend talaga yung dad shoes. Pero ayoko na super chunky. In reality, ganito talaga itsura ng mga dad shoe. Ito talaga yan. Pero ang nagustuhan ko with the 990 V5 is it's a collaboration or it's a mixture between yung medyo konting may pagka-sleek siya, not really bulky all the way, pero it does provide that dad vibe na aesthetic. Apart from that, the whole day comfort, no? Kwento ko lang, sinuot ko sa office yung Jordan 4 Fire Red ko. At the end of the day, sumakit pa rin yung paa ko, especially the pinky toe. So, kumbaga parang I felt a little discomfort talaga with the Jordan 4s, no? Following week, nagbumalik kami ng office and then ang suot ko was my other 990 V5 which is the blue and gray colorway. Surprisingly enough, that was the first time na sinuot ko yung 990 V5 ko ng whole day from 6 a.m. until 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. ng gabi. And no foot fatigue, zero foot fatigue talaga. It's very safe to say that you're not walking on clouds pero your foot is embedded or is pressed with clouds. Yun yung masabi ko. Hindi siya kagaya ng Boost na may squishy na feels yung hinahanap usually ng iba when they say comfortable is super squishy. Hindi siya. You still have that ride. You still have that good balance between a little bit squishy pero okay pa rin yung ride mo. Walang discomfort. So ito, it's like the perfect shoe. And if you think about it on the practical perspective, these guys cost $11,995 retail, but you can get them somewhere for lower, or you can buy used pairs for lower. Pero these are very durable sneakers. These guys are made in the USA. With that being said, these guys have premium materials, pigskin suede all over the sneaker, and of course you got that mesh over there, PM reflective hits all over. So alam mo yung napakaganda ng cushioning niya. Again, hindi siya yung super squishy, pero it gets the job done in my opinion. And all-around sneaker siya. You can pair it up with, normal jeans, with cuffed jeans, with jeans or yung mga bitin na pantalon na nakakita yung medyas. You can wear them with crew socks. You can wear them with ankle socks. Alam mo yung sobrang versatile na sneaker that can actually replace your Jordans. Pero at the end of the day, ito yung isa sa mga pinakasulit na sneakers in my collection and definitely something I would be rocking on a casual basis. This could potentially make you forget about the hype sneakers, the practical choice or the intelligent choice. New Balance is killing it right now, especially in 2021. And for me, this all started with Boss RD. Huge shoutout kay Boss RD. Siya nagsimula ng New Balance sa akin with one pair na niregalo niya sa akin. I'll link the video on top of the screen kung anong sneaker yung niregalo niya sa akin. That brought me to the phase of the New Balance. And ayun, man, New Balance 990 V5. If you haven't tried this one, guys, you are definitely missing out in my opinion. Especially kung habol mo talaga sa sneaker is all-day comfort and something that would last for the next few years. So there you have it. Maraming salamat for checking on this video. Again, if you like this video, please go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. It does help out with algorithm and it helps the channel grow. Kung bago ka dito, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more videos just like this. Maraming salamat for checking on this video today, guys, and I will see you on the next one. Peace, guys.